Yeah, go like a year, brother. I don't know me, I pity I got dead to blood.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release from Ashabash. Yo, you must never make them hold you back. Push if you push them out, them chat can't stop y'all when the road them black. Rise and shine and show them that you are no crow. Forever money you know hold them that. Born with ambition, never run empty, always load your pot. So when them a open a rush, me show them flap. Surprise them, kick off the door them flat. Got all keys for all the road them lap. Bad mind, only thing me know them got bad seed them sow them reap. Cause them know them crop must fall. Pan them face make sure them drop. Hand and foot and toe get pop. Eat them a fight me. Put in pan them like when the fire cold get hot. Defeat them lightly, yes. In a deep hole them drop. Boom.
No ball, you see it? You just never know, baby. You understand? When Rachel come down, Rachel come down the 16th of August for Barrett, Scary. I want to see Rachel a ball to blood clot. Everything we take for sure. I'm going to say, Rachel, you go like... Laugh, Queenie, laugh. You know what? I'm going to say, Rachel, you go like a year, brother. Everything we take a drama, you know. I say, I never forgot. I say, you go like a year, brother. You ball more than me. For my brother and your uncle, Chef. Scary, my favorite, Scary. Thank you, baby. No, I know some my good picking I got that, you know. You understand me? I don't mean in the hospital. You know, I mean, I wrap up in the hospital bed with the eye off the hospital bed. I really want all cool, you know. That's my pick. Do it. You know, but anywhere I that's why I live my bum. If you hear that, because I don't know if the next Friday is cancer, I got no more. But me search it up, and nobody doesn't even do it. No, sir, Rachel dead. But first, I'm scared. But you may eat that, I'm going to take everything for joke, you know. I'm scared, that little scare feeling them. I think I could cope and function. But remember when I tell me, I said, so I'm going to manage now. Rachel do all of my paperwork, everything. But anyway, crazy. This is Wednesday, the 29th of March. It's going to be her 35th birthday. What? Nothing but just love bag. Dad, so what happened? Listen, Daniel told me that this Saturday and I'm going to ask you. Jamie, what happened, my nephew? Jamie, I'm here, Rachel and Jamie there to be kind of bumper clap. Oh! Me and Jamie and Rachel ups and down them time I just meet my husband, you know. I'm a guy with Rachel and a guy with do their cocky jail. And Jamie and Rachel, that time I don't know any Jamie. Blood. Remember all this Saturday, sorry crazy. I don't know when I give a sorry. Remember all this Saturday, me and Rachel for go uptown and I tell her, I said, I'm not come and do it, God. A Spanish town. And she bad me up. When I say Rachel, I'm not coming, and she bad me up. I push her my head, so I say, yeah, I'll go and leave her alone. And she push her my head, so I said, you sell me out. I say, you know it, Rachel. Oh, God, man, I miss my pity, man. I miss her. If it were hot girl there. But they are Sandy. What them say her name again? Sandy River girl. And I climb that Mega River. Although all who can't go river. Hey, Jamaica nice. So we don't want nothing more than little shots, little light things. You can't have no little clothes on you. Hey! God. So Ryan Crazy, this Saturday as I don't know, I'm there at Trelawney. Speed off with the Echo Stand and Big. The Queen will be there in Trelawney. Mega sexy. So all of the clean fat fish, darling. What? Cooking still a going? I told you this is Christine last. Watch out. You see that? Ram good liver good for make manish water. See manish water there. Billy goat soup, good for your daughter. Curry goat lunch, make you walk at that. He make your daughter walk at that. I'm proud. How is this now?
Pork soup, canned pork soup.
So this is our canned pork. Okay. Everywhere costs money. Jump, listen. Hi! Hello! Hello, children. You know me hear them and I see them, bless them. Watch them, they run God. So this our I want to taste both of them. Hey, Jamaica not hard more, not expensive more than nowhere. The whole world is expensive. Because when me check out some things down here, you have all things that they are Jamaica cheaper than when you work out the inflation. Right? So this is cocoa, that's yellow yam, cocoa again, a cocoa or a sheen. So I know of ground food though, I'm a country like, should I live a foreign? Hey! The whole school to backside. Children! Oh, bless them. I want to end up at lunchtime. So I come touch the Queen and I eat that. Oh, come touch. One really puppy there, come look for me. Hey, it's me. Hello, sir, morning. Hi, kids. Hello. I was trying to see up on TikTok. Yes, miss. Oh, come give me on TikTok. Yes, miss. Oh, come give me a hug. Blessing, children. Hello. Hello, son. Wow, come hug the Queen, yes? When I not get in no trouble, though. I don't know about lunchtime. Hey, hello. Where next one them there? Don't be shy, come. Hello, pretty girl. Oh, bless you. Come. TikTok Queenie here. Warm your eyes are nicey. Other than that, you have rich ears. Oh my God. And I forgot to come on to school one day, yeah?
Yes, miss.
All right, darling.
I come tomorrow for Careers Day, miss.
Tomorrow?
Yes, miss, I can perform, miss.
Lie. They're going to make them organize it.
Okay, miss.
Yeah, Marcus. And I will be back, okay?
Yes, miss.
Blessed love.
Bye, miss.
Bye. Hey, the people them think me and them I see them age. Bless them. Hey! Hello! Wow. The old Sunday. Hello!